Hi guys, this is Alexia, the owner of Sauvignon Beauty, and I first and foremost want to say that I hope everyone is staying safe and staying healthy during these times and doing whatever makes them feel comfortable during this pandemic. So today I decided to make a small video and show everyone my 3 lash styles today and just a quick tutorial on how to put on lashes. So today I decided to wear champagne lashes. Again, they're kind of my favorite, so they're my go-to for a natural look. That's what I have on. And so I'm going to switch to my Merlot lashes and just show you all what my routine is for how to get the lashes on. First thing I do want to say is that all the lashes do fit everyone else differently, like your eye sizes and are obviously going to be different. So you want to make sure that you trim your lashes to fit your eyes. You may not need to trim them. You may need to trim a lot or a little. That's up to you. You can use any regular old scissors. It doesn't really matter. You want to have a set of tweezers or eyelash applicators. I just use tweezers because it's easy. Some mascara and your lashes. If you're going to trim them, you need scissors, obviously. And eyeliner. I always put eyeliner on, but that's just me. So first I'm gonna take these lashes off and then I will switch to the Merlot lashes. So what I do when I take my lashes off, I just pull them off. You do, if they're really stuck on there, you could use a little bit of Vaseline to loosen up the glue. But that's it, they just come off just like that. And you wanna pull the glue off of your lashes when it gets really built up. And you can use and reuse these lashes for up to as long as you want. It's about how you take care of them. If you take care of them well, then you will have a longer time of using them. So this one is not really coming off. So I'm just gonna add some Vaseline to the lash line so that it can loosen up the glue. You're also gonna need lash glue if that was unclear, sorry. So I'm just adding Vaseline to my lash line and there it goes, pulls right off. Okay. And I like to put my lashes right back into the container that they came in, so it's easy. I know where they came from, I know where to find them. And so I could find the lash glue that I use is Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive. It's clear. I don't know where it comes from. I got it from my sister, so I have no idea. It's really good though. My lashes never fall off. So now I already have eyeliner on and a little bit of shadow, so I'm not gonna put on more. But you're just gonna take your tweezers or eyelash applicators, whatever you decide to use, and carefully peel your lashes off of the plate. And then you're going to apply your glue sparingly along the lash line. You don't want to use a lot because you don't want to see the glue when you put it on your eyelid. Also, like I said, my glue is pretty good, so I don't need to use a lot. But you want to use enough to make sure that it actually stays. And definitely make sure you get the corners because those are the areas that usually lift first. So yeah. So this glue goes on white and it's clear when it's dried. So once I cover my strip, I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit. This is what it looks like. You can see the glue on the strip. And I'm just gonna put them back on my tweezers and I just blow on it, fan it, whatever, let it dry. And also you can tell which eye this is for. Usually the case is on the right side is for your right eye, left side is for your left eye. And these Merlot lashes are a little bit smaller on one end than the other. Don't be like me and put them on the wrong eye. Yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. So the number one thing when putting on lashes is patience. If you do not wait for the glue to dry, it will not stick on your eye and you'll just have a much more difficult time putting them on than you would if you are patient. Once this glue starts to become a little more dry, I'm going to go ahead and put it on my eye. I like to use a little small mirror that can get really close to my face because you really want to get in there and make sure you're putting it on precisely. So I'm just going to go in, and you want to try to apply the lash at an angle coming from above your eye a little bit so you can see above your eyelash. So, and you want to try to get as close to your eyelash line, your real eyelash line, as possible without putting them directly on your lashes. I like to go in with my fingers and just make sure I can feel it. Try to push it down as close to my lash line as possible. And then just let it dry a little bit because the glue is sometimes still wet despite what you may think. And I'm pressing down towards my eyelid to make sure that it's all stuck. And yeah, I'll let that dry a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the second lash. You can see the difference between no lash and big lash. You really get a nice, voluminous eye look. Great for a night out if you want something a little extra. Yeah. Not really my go-to. They attract a lot of attention, and that's not really me sometimes. I really don't know where to find this glue, so if you know, you can probably let me know. I've had this same bottle of glue since November of my senior year of high school, so yeah. And you want to make sure that there's no glue on your tweezers because then it will stick to your lash, and when you try to put them on your eye, it will stick to the tweezers and not your eye. Happens to me all the time, unfortunately. And you can see this is for my left eye, my right eye, because this side is shorter than this side. I like to look down into my mirror because then you're looking down, you can see your eyelash line a lot better. Then I either do this before putting on the lash or after putting on the lash, but I go in and add some mascara to my real lashes, because this helps them stick to the false lashes. I'll do this one first because it's dry. And it just helps make more of a unified look so your lashes don't look like this. And yeah. And that's it. Practice really makes perfect. I tried to do these a long time ago and it really did not work for me. But I just watched a few videos, so thankfully I'm making this one for you all. Watch a few videos and test it, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. The first time I tried these on, I failed and gave up and got frustrated and said, never mind. So these are, once again, the Merlot lashes. They're my medium-sized lash. They are very lightweight. They're not heavy at all, even though they look a little more full. These are also super lightweight. I don't even feel like I'm wearing lashes when I have these on. I like these. These give me more of a full lash look, and they're just super cute. And so now I'm going to switch to my Sauvignon Blanc lashes. I've never worn these before, so this will be the first time I have these on ever. Yeah, these are 25mm lashes. They're super, just look at them. They're just, if I could wear these every day, I mean, we'll see how they look on me first, but yeah, I've never worn lashes this big before, so Even though we just put these on, I'm gonna take these off. They're really not completely dry yet, so it's easy to pull them off. Okay, and last but not least, I'm actually scared. I don't know what these, I don't look like a bird. I'm saying, like, I have never worn lashes this big, but I think they're so cute, so I don't know. So let's see how they look on me. So yeah, I've never worn this before, so they need to be trimmed a little bit. As you can see, like, there's just a tiny bit of like lash with no eyelash on it, so I like to just trim those off so it's not really noticeable. These are humongous. Oh my gosh. If you're one of those people that can wear these on the regular, I really applaud you, because this is, I'm using this tiny little pair of eyebrow scissors. I think they're e.l.f. I don't know. Got them from the drugstore, CVS, Walgreens, whatever. So once again, same process. I literally can't even see the lash line. What? Let's try this again. And wow, that is crazy. I don't even know. Wow, let me put the other one on and see how it looks, because yeah. And you don't want to trim too far to where you get to where the lash starts and then the hair starts to fall off. Been there, it's not fun. I had to throw a whole set of lashes away because of that. I mean, I kind of like them. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these on the regular, y'all, or at all, but hey, if this is your look, period, go for it. I mean, I just can't see my eyes, but but yeah, obviously these are huge and they're not as small as these, so yeah, I do feel them on my face. They're actually touching above my eyebrows, kind of, but they are actually cute. I do like them. If you've never tried these before, you know, step out of your comfort zone and try them on a little bit. I've never tried these before. This is way out of my comfort zone, but you know, maybe for a little, you can do a little date night, a little girls night. If you want to buy them for your girl, she might like them. You never know. You never know. So I hope this video helps someone how to put on their lashes. It's really fun once you get into it. Once I started wearing lashes, now I can't stop. You get the drift. So once again, I had champagne on the beginning of the video. Then we switched to Merlot. And then we have our Sauvignon Blanc. So, thank everyone for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all learned how to put on your lashes. Once again, these are all $8, and that's not including tax or shipping. But yeah, everyone, thanks for watching. Bye.